Forget deep frying, we're getting that authentic crimson red Kashmiri chili chicken done to perfection using your air fryer right in the comfort of your own home. And I'm going to be using a secret ingredient that's over 1,000 years old to make this recipe pop. Let's get cooking. And welcome back to the channel, guys. One air fryer too many. If you're finding this content useful, don't forget to smash that subscribe so you don't miss another video. New videos every week. Right, that beautiful, deep, rich Kashmiri chili chicken. I'm going to whip this up in no time, or I'm going to bring you closer, talk you through everything step by step, and I reckon within 20 to 25 minutes of you doing this at home, you're going to be eating this and you're never going to want to buy this again from the takeaway. So honestly, I'm so excited about this. I'm going to move you in closer. I'm going to talk you through the ingredients, including the secret ingredient. Today I am using the Kashmiri Twin Fry as our air fryer of choice. You can use whatever air fryer you have got at home, so don't worry, you can join in. Right, let's get cooking. So the first thing we have got is Kashmiri chili powder. I've got 100 gram of this. I bought this off Amazon and look at the colour of that. It is amazing. So this was, I think it was £2.89 for 100 gram from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Then we're going to use a little bit of garam masala. Already got this in the cupboard, so out it comes. Some garlic and ginger paste. Some Greek yogurt, some chicken breasts. I've got 5 here from Aldi, so 1 kilo in weight. And then the secret ingredient to all of this that goes with this chili powder is amchur powder. This is green dried mango powder. This is going to add a real acidity, fruitiness to this dish, and again, it wasn't expensive. It was under £3, delivered from Amazon again. Right, let's whip this up together. Dead easy. This we're going to go in with some of the garlic and ginger paste. So 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of that. I'm then going to go in with a teaspoon of garam masala. I absolutely love garam masala. Then the amchur powder. We're going to go in with 1.5 teaspoons of amchur powder. And the star of the show, as far as I'm concerned, is this Kashmiri chili powder. Now, if you've never had this stuff, it's not very spicy. Well, for me, it's not. It's quite a mild chili powder. It just got real great flavour, and yeah, I just think it's great. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to mix this up. I'm going to see what this is like once it's mixed up. I've got 250 gram of Greek yogurt. Yes, look at that. Dead easy. Right, we'll move this to one side. And next I'm going to bring the chicken over, and we all love a little cheat, so I'm going to leave the chicken actually in this tub to do all the mixing, because you know we're busy people. Let's keep things simple. So I'm just going to slice in. You can take off these little sinewy bits if you want off the chicken, but to be honest, I'm not too fussed. I will take off that little dry looking part there though. There we go. So there's one. And I'm using the new Ninja knives for this. That's 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 on the hair. I'm not using gloves. I will wash my hands. Don't believe in using gloves. Don't believe in washing chicken. So to my American followers, sorry about that. Right, okay. So that is all the chicken sliced up. Then we're going to go in with this beautiful looking paste. So if you can marinate this overnight, even better. I'll tell you what, this week I have just unboxed the new Ninja barbecue, the Ninja Flex Flame Pro connected. This would be amazing on that. Right, there we go. Spread all this around. Make sure you get it in all the nooks and the crannies that you've just, where you've cut the chicken open as well. You're actually best off just going in with your hands really, but chili powder on your hands sometimes can have a little burning after effect, especially if you touch your face, or even worse, go to the loo. Right, I think we're about there. Right, okay, so that is the chicken marinated. So I'm just gonna nip, wash my hands, tidy up, and we're gonna get this cooking. So take the basket out, and I'm not putting the central divider into this air fryer, but I am leaving the base crisper plates in. And then all I'm gonna do is get this chicken, and I'm going to put it straight into the air fryer, and I'm going to put it with the cut side up. And I'm going to get some more of this beautiful marinade. And just make sure we don't waste any. Over the chicken. Right, so that chicken is ready to go in, and I'm going to give you a pro tip towards the end of this to show you how to really make the colour pop out of this red Kashmiri chili powder. Right, so let's get it in. Switch it on. I'm going to do Grand Zone, I'm going to go 25 minutes at 200 degrees. And I'm going to press go. And we'll see it. In 20 minutes we're going to stop it. Right, we are at 20 minutes and honestly, look at these. Wow. Right, but what we're going to do now, we're just going to pimp these even more. So what we're going to do is, we've got some of the chili powder and I'm just going to brush, or mix I should say, a little bit of vegetable oil. Ideally, if you can use ghee to do this, it's even better. And this is just going to make a really rich red paste like that, to then just brush over the tops. And this is just going to make the chicken really pop at the end. And then we're going to go back in for the remainder of the time. But just look at the adding that now. Just added that extra depth of colour. Right, 5 minutes to go. There we go. Oh, look at these bad boys. Right, I'm just going to give these a little probe just to make sure they're cooked. I'm going to choose the thickest part of the biggest one. There we go, it's up to 78, 79. There we go. Just pushed it in just to make sure it's settled at 79, so we're above the 75 degrees Celsius, the magic number for making sure it's safe. Okay, let's get these plated up and let's have a taste. Right, okay, let's get some of these out. Oh, they look absolutely fantastic. I have got the chief taste tester with me today. What do you think about that? How these are looking already, mate?
Yeah.
Looking good?
Mm.
Ooh. Right, and then I think we're going to slice this one open and have a look at this one.
Have you probed it?
Yeah, probed it.
Is it good?
Yeah. So, can you remember what temperature it's got to be, mate?
75 degrees.
Yeah, fantastic. Right, let's cut this one open. Whoa. Look at this Kashmiri Chilli chicken. It looks absolutely banging. So I'm just going to put this one onto this platter to serve it. And there we have air fryer Kashmiri chilli chicken done properly. Right, we need a taste of this. Right, back by popular demand is the chief taste tester, and I believe this may knock your socks off.
Okay.
I think, although the Kashmiri chilli chicken is meant to have subtle flavours, the smell I'm getting from this is quite a punch of heat. But I love spice, so do you wanna go on for a piece? I would just nibble the edge first. Right, it's hot. There's steam coming off it. Whew. It's going back for more straight away. That is actually banging. It's not actually dead spicy, is it? Do you think it is?
Well, it's really spicy on the first taste, so if you eat like a whole slice, it's probably going to be like scorching hot.
Mmm. You know what? you've got that acidity coming from that green mango powder. You've got the earthiness from the Kashmiri chili powder. You've got the garlic. You've got that back tone of the garam masala, like the cumin and things that are in it. Genuinely, it's banging. What's it?
It's so spicy.
Why is it so spicy?
It's nice but spicy.
It is nice, isn't it? Look, he's going back for more. Addicted to the chilies. Right. Let me know in the comments, what would you serve this with? I am actually going to chop this up and make this into a proper saucy sort of Kashmiri chili chicken curry for tomorrow night's tea. And I'm going to serve it with some rice and naan bread. Let me know.
I would serve it with ice cream.
Let's serve it with ice cream, right. Drop me a comment below what are you serving with this, and I shall see you in the next video. Right. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you again very soon.
Bye bye.
It's about to go and raid the freezer.